a nice meat.
Nice, two bonitos. Okay. Welcome to St. Bounty. Yeah, we are here at the backyard today, and we're trying to cut something in here. You can see, and with me is my wife, Yoni, and we got Chuck, my friend. He's also here. Yeah, I think mackerel is starting now. Mackerel, robins, look at that. Yeah, let's see. Try to cut something today. Okay. Nice press roll. Okay.
We got two Bonito.
Like change them away, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're lucky.
Yeah. One for me and one for
Because at the
Daddy.
same time. Look
Yeah.
at that.
That's very nice. Did
Two
you take it out?
bonitos.
Take it out?
At the same time, because at the same time.
Very good.
lucky.
Very good. Lucky day.
One moment.
We got Bonito. Yep. We're about to leave. We have to clean the spot that we go fishing. So this is our cuts for today.
Yeah, we're lucky today. The robins arrived and the two bonitos arrived.
Yeah.
Mama cuts one and I cuts one too. And we cut it from the bamboo stick. Look.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's a nice meat.
Nice,
Bonito.
two bonitos. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mommy cuts the bigger one. I cuts the medium one.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're here today at Jobson's Cove and we're gonna cook bonita. It's gonna be a sesame seed crusted bonita with teriyaki sauce. And yeah, as you saw earlier, I showed a quick clip of us catching the bonita, so let's get to cooking.
Okay, good morning. Today is a beautiful day. We had the sesame seed crusted bonito fillet here with teriyaki sauce. Okay, so it's also 1/4 cup of it. Okay. Brown, but you know, you need to use that. Hey, white wine. It's 1/4 cup of white wine too. Okay, 5 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of ginger, like a thumbnail, like the size of a thumb. Chop it. You got garlic, right? Okay. What we're gonna do is just have to boil this approximately maybe between around 5 to 6 minutes, just to reduce the sauce to make it thicken. Okay. And we're gonna start cooking also the bonito fillet. Okay. Getting hotter. starts to evaporate, you know, and the sugar starts to caramelize. So, charcoal is really hot. Yeah. Okay. And the spraying. The fish teriyaki sauce is really good with the rice, so okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh. So also teriyaki sauce. Okay, so that's our fish teriyaki burrito. Right.
Thanks.
Okay.
Alright guys, let's give it a try. It looks awesome. Look at that. Ooh. All in that sauce. Alright. Let's give a nice taste test. Wow, should get it in the sun. Look at that. Alright, let's try it. Mmm. Oh, that tastes good.
It's good?
Yeah, I like the sesame seed crust.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
I love sesame seeds, so.
Okay, guys, you try now.
Mmm. Oh yeah.
Mami.
Delicious. It goes with the sauce.
Oh.
Vinegar, ginger, garlic, boiled up. Makita mo sa video pag nagano kasi dito ko ginawang sauce.
Good. Yeah.
Filipino power is rice.
Yeah. True.
Yeah. Ha?
Baka ako malasing.
Hindi. Just a little bit.
Good.
Just 5 tablespoons of white wine.
Yeah.
It's a 1/4
nice.
cup, you know, equivalent.
Ah.
So, fresh. So, it's nice. Teriyaki sauce. You can also put teriyaki sauce marinade to your pork, to your chicken or beef. So you can straight on the grill like the one that we have here. This is marinated with teriyaki sauce. So you just put straight on the grill.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Alright, wave.
Subscribe! Likes! And share!
Yes, Tita. Beautiful day. Got families out here. Everyone's just enjoying this beautiful environment. Alright guys. We got Bonito. A nice meat.
Nice, Bonito.